He's Ivan. So we are going to do the phase 2 project for Streat Highway and Design. And these are our objectives, as you can see on the screen. Okay, now this is our route 1. This is our route 2. And this is our route 3. So from the MOE, we will figure it out the best route. As you can, so we have made one assumption for the MOE. The assumption is the smaller value we get, the more it is better. So we, for the route 1, we got the smaller value, which is 31 as compared to other. So that's the best route. Every other value are smaller. In case, from the distance of the white spot, the more far it is better. But to comply with my assumption, I reduce that value with to 50. Okay, now this is the profile view for our best route, as you can see on the screen. I'm moving on. This is the first route, and this is the horizontal alignment and the vertical alignment. And this is the cross-section area. And this is the mass hull diagram. Now I want to give it to Ivan.
Okay, thank you. And this is the signage index we have. We have signs on the left side, the name of them, and the sign designation on the right side. And each one have a different designation. And we're gonna move on. This is how we started. We have like merging point and adding this is the speed for our design, 50 miles per hour. And we have a merging point and adding point. This is and some point of the design. At this point, we have to transition from 50 to 30 miles per hour at the curving. And we have like no passing zone in this area. Secondly, we're gonna have to the second transition point. We have to like a merging and increasing of lanes. And next is gonna be the transition to the intersection, which is 2 lane on the right side, 1 lane on the left side. And at like a turning point, we have 30 miles per hour speed. We have left and right turns with a stop sign, and we have a stop sign like a warning 250 to 350 feet from that. And now moving on to the safety device assembly. You have 5 safety devices assembly. The first one is complying with road 12, which is 1 lane on each side with the shoulders. And the second one is the first transition. As you see in the small point right here, it has a basic curb and gutter on the right side. And then basic curb and gutter on the right side still on this section. Then moving on to the original assembly at this section, and at the turning point we have a basic curb and gutter on the left side. And then here we go back to 2 left lane, 1 right lane. Then we switch at the second transition. We're going to switch it from 2 on the left lane to 2 on the right lane. And we're going to have a transition down there. And this is the full for assembly for Highway 43, the connection, the intersection. And this is our intersection area with a radius of 50 and connecting to road 43 without disturbing the road for more than 60 feet, was less than 60 feet. And this is our manual fixed assembly and for intersection and alignment. Here's our complex point. We have 9 complex points merging. Moving on to the first transition point, we have a transition point right here. First transition point in the blue with no effect on road 12. We have the assembly for it on top. That's assembly for road 12, and the other one is assembly for the new route. This is the second transition, which is moving from 2 lane on the left to 2 lane on the right. Thank you very much.